And today we're in the 2019 Silverado with the 5.3 and 8-speed. I'm here with the TFL truck gang, Roman and Tommy.
That's right. We're about to do a little bit of a tow test, Kent. First time towing in the brand new Silverado. This is a big deal. A new Silverado doesn't come along every day.
I know. Here's a Trail Boss truck with that dual exhaust, the rectangular dual exhaust. LTZ also has the rectangular tailpipes and the rear bumper. Now here you can see a push button on the tailgate, goes up and down. You can do this in the camera on your remote, push a button, it goes back up. And look at the tie downs inside this bed. They have tie downs all over the corners. Great cargo management. You can tie everything down solidly. Love it. Okay, this is new for 19, this VIN Pacific sticker. And look what that tells you. Everything you ever wanted to know about towing trailers and the capacity of your individual truck by the VIN. That is so awesome. So it shows 930 pounds tongue weight. So that's basically means that's 10% of 9,300. Wow, that is so awesome. Of course, you know, you got the trailer tire pressure one we all have. So where they put the safety compliance sticker that tells you your color codes and your axles and all that. You know, safety compliance sticker is what used to always be here. You know where that is? Unless they're replacing that with this one. That just says trailer information. It has that, but you know, the other one will tell you axle ratio and a few other things. It'll actually tell you paint codes. I suppose on GM it's in the glove box with all this. Yeah, so now that's the tow haul mode, which you change that.
So if you turn that, you can select your mode control here in this cluster.
Oh. So okay, tow haul mode is involved. That's drive mode.
Yeah, so it's
you
drive
have all
mode.
those options.
And you have options
oh, that is so cool. Okay, well, I guess that's better than a button on your stick.
Yep.
Wow. Okay, and you are Frank.
Frank Brunel.
Okay, you're the guy for trailers.
I'm the trailering feature owner from a user experience perspective.
Awesome. We're gonna come here and look at all these toys, then we're gonna pull the trailer. But I want to pull with a 6.2. I want to fly.
Yeah. I'll grab you one of the other trucks for that. There. Now you can see.
Okay. Now go through the.
So there's your drive mode. So you have tour, sport, off-road, and tow haul.
That is so cool.
Yep.
Yeah, because I'm just used to pushing the tow haul button. Now
so the other thing with the app is you have a setting where you can do tow haul reminder. So if tow haul's off, we're gonna know, and we know a trailer's connected, so we'll pop up a reminder. Hey, make sure you turn tow haul on.
Yeah, I would use that because I'm getting old and forgetful, and I want to have tow haul mode on most of the time when I'm towing. This is just too cool. Now I got to go out and do some trailer drifting and see how that works.
There you go. Check it out.
They measure my 360 degrees when I go with the trailer, or 180 when I do drifting. You know?
No,
can't do that. Okay. The towing mirror, how they're anchored. Is it a single arm? Is it a double arm? Do you know what they look like?
I don't.
Okay, it's top secret.
No, I can get you. We can get you somebody to talk to.
And I do like these mirrors. These are not the towing mirrors, but these are actually pretty big for a standard mirror.
Experience perspective, it's part of Chevy's advanced trailering system. We're offering better. We're trying to improve safety, confidence, and visibility. So from a visibility perspective, we have, in this view here, we have what's called Hitch Guidance. So this dynamic line helps you as you reverse the truck to get closer to the trailer.
So there's the line that kind of lines up the ball and the coupler.
Yep. And then as you get closer, you can switch to this view called Hitch View.
Hitch View,
which zooms in on the hitch.
Wow, on top of it.
Right on top of it, so you can...
I guess see if you're off to the side of it. That's good.
You can check for better alignment.
Very cool.
Put the vehicle in park, you know, do your whole process for connecting. And then with this package, there's an accessory. So we offer trailering views. So let's start here. We'll start with trailering views. So this is a side mirror view looking backwards.
Oh, cool. From
down the side of the truck.
Bottom of each mirror. That's
bottom of each mirror. We offer an accessory camera. So this is a camera mounted, hardwired to the truck, looking behind the trailer. So this is
that's awesome.
Trailer view.
Because I need that in a lot of hotels I end up parking in.
Right. And then one more, we do a combo of the two. So we give you rear trailer view in the middle, and then the side mirror views down the side.
Wow. So this truck is about, what, 6 feet wide, and the trailer is probably, what, 8.5 feet wide or so? So yeah, that's always a tricky part. That's why the 20 meters need to be out so far. But yeah, that is awesome.
So we're helping with visibility. And then the other part from a safety confidence perspective, we're launching an integrated trailer app.
Let me try to turn this down a little bit. I know I get some noise. Okay, go ahead.
They kick off. So starting with the trailer app, we have a default checklist. So this helps customers safely connect the trailer to the truck. So we run through kind of the process of connecting the trailer to the truck, or truck to the trailer, as the case may be. You know, you get to this step. So this step's very handy because what's a two-person job now, where you need somebody in the driver's seat to do turn signals, brakes. You hit this button, and it'll run through the sequence process. You can get out of the truck, make sure all your lights are correctly working.
So it will turn them on itself.
Yep.
Okay,
so
that's awesome.
It'll run through a cycle. We'll get out of that. So I already have a profile set up, so you can store 5 different profiles on the vehicle. You know, you can tow your boat, your cargo trailer, your RV, that type of thing. So this is helpful because when you have an active profile, we give you information on the truck. So fuel economy while towing this trailer, vehicle transmission temperature.
Well, that's good to have that, because we compare a lot of that. Loaded mile per gallon compared to the EPA mile per gallon. Now we can just look at the screen.
Right.
That's awesome.
Connection screen. So another way to get into the light test here, if there was an issue, it would show up on this side. You know, if you let turn signal out, this diagnose button would become available, and you can diagnose and get a little bit more information on where to look on your trailer. We give you information on the trailer. So this is trailer tire pressure and temperature.
Now tell me that's wireless, right?
Yeah, so it's RF, same type of sensors that go in the truck tires.
Okay, so it's a signal. There's a little box on the trailer, and then comes into your screen. Or
it's RF signal to a module on the back of the truck.
Oh, it's on the truck.
Yeah, it's integrated on the truck side.
Okay, so all you have to do is add the valve stems to your trailer.
Exactly.
That's it. Oh, that's good.
Yep.
It tells you temperature. How high of pressure does it read? Some of the aftermarket ones are 203, which is high. It's like semi and RV.
You have to get to 116 psi.
I'm sorry, the range for your tire pressure monitoring system on your trailer, which is in the valve stem, is how much?
14 to 116 psi.
116. Okay, because most of the times if people pull a big trailer, it's a 10 ply, and that's 85 psi. So you could go all the way up to those 14 plies and still actually have the right reading. That's good.
Yep.
That's good. Yeah, 114. I mean, that'll cover just about everything.
Yep.
Awesome. Well, good job.
All right, thanks. Then we track mileage. So while this trailer's connected to this truck, we're going to track mileage, which is helpful because we offer trailer maintenance reminders. So in this case, I have one set up for tire condition, but you can set up for wheel bearings, check your tire condition, check brakes.
Okay.
And these are time-based, mileage-based, or both. And then
slow down, because that sounds really interesting.
Right.
How does it? I mean, it keeps track of the heat and all that, because the algorithms for your oil changes is like that.
So I'll walk you through. So let's set one up for brakes, right? So this maintenance reminder is for brakes. So check for leaks, cracks.
Oh, it's just a reminder.
It's just a reminder.
It doesn't measure anything. That's what I really thought would be cool. An algorithm that told me how many times it was hot and all that.
Yeah, so this is it's just check it in 3,000 miles, 3 months. You can change.
Well, nothing wrong with that. I mean, it's a nice reminder to have.
Right. And then, so now that's there, and it'll track status.
Okay.
The other thing we're offering in vehicle is a trailer theft alert. So the idea is, vehicle's off, and the vehicle alarm is enabled. In trailer, the vehicle alarm will sound. Lights will go off like a normal theft alert.
In ignition or
right.
what? Okay.
So this is vehicle off and alarm's enabled.
Okay.
Right? So it's kind of a notification setup. We'll notify you via text, phone, whatever your preferred notification method is, that there was a theft alert on your truck.
So you got to remember that if you're going to unhook it, you want to put the key in the ignition so it doesn't go off.
You want to make sure you turn the alarm off, right?
Otherwise, your alarm is going off. Okay.
So the other thing we're offering in my Chevrolet. Oops.
Well, it's interesting because a lot of trailers get stolen, and it's amazing how well people are getting it, taking them off the trailer, off the truck.
Right.
That's nice.
So in the My Chevrolet app, we're adding functionality. We're adding a trailer and guide tile at the bottom here. So what this offers, you can do a remote light sequence. So you can remote start your car from the phone.
Yeah.
So same idea here, but you can do light sequence from your phone. So you can be outside of the truck can be off too, as long as the trailer's connected, and it'll do that same light sequence that we just talked about.
Only with the app?
Only with the my Chevrolet app.
Okay, otherwise you can't just like push the button on the dash.
Oh, you can do either or.
Or you can do back there. Okay, because
Yeah,
that's what
it's
most
an either
people
or.
would do, I think.
Yeah, you're going
push
to
the
be in
button
your
and
truck.
run back to the end of the
But
trailer.
this is another option for doing the same light test. And
That's
then
cool. That's a big deal. It's theft trailer because everybody's got a white trailer.
Yep.
They all end up in Havana or someplace or
Right.
Mexico.
So then the other 3 options, it's a pre-departure checklist, which is the same that matches the
Yeah.
checklist here. And then the other 2 are more of a kind of like the first one is a watch and learn. So we're going to do a link to how-to videos from the phone. This is a phone version. And then a glossary of terms. So it's like an education for our customers.
That's cool. That's cool.
Yeah.
And so that if somebody steals your trailer, you get notification on the phone.
Yeah. So
and
that
OnStar might call you or something.
Yeah, so that's an OnStar specific OnStar package, safety and security, and then as part of that, you set up notifications. So the notifications could be email, phone call, or text.
Yeah.
So if that theft event happens, you'll see a notification pop up on your.
Well, that's cool. That's cool. We always lock all of our stuff and our latches and our couplers, but you still, who wants to go through the crap of having a trailer stolen?
Right.
But yeah.
So
Awesome.
that's the advanced trailering system.
Anything special with the brake control? Now I love it since it's on the right side where it should be.
We moved it. So one thing I can call out with the brake gain is when you set up a trailer profile and that you reactivate
it remembers your gain.
We're going to recall the gain.
That's cool, and it's so safe there. That's you guys had them on the other side for so long, and I kept saying, "Find me one semi that has them on the left side, and I'll stop complaining."
Yeah, they got to move now.
That's wonderful. That'll save lives. I really appreciate all that. Yeah, you got quite a cockpit in here. You got everything right there where you can get to it. I love the big knobs. I don't like the little dainty, and I hate buttons. Even the fan vents and knob, I love that because I can't sit there and drive down the road, bouncing down the road, pushing on buttons to get the fan to work. No, you got a good layout there.
Mike Simons.
Simons, okay. Cool.
So I'll tell you a little bit what I know about the structure of the vehicle and what's new and what's different. This is kind of a cutaway that shows it's color-coded to show our mixed material strategy. You can see on here, I won't read them all off to you, but you can kind of see where we've used different materials, high-strength steel where we need it, lighter weight steel where we can. So really the couple things I wanted to point out is one thing that's really new for this vehicle is this integrated front-end sheet metal, or front-end structure I'll call it. This piece right here is all integrated to the body and then to the radiator, the front rad support. So what that gives us is a much stiffer structure, and with that stiffer structure we're able to tune the vehicle and get the ride and handling performance exactly where we want it with that structural change, and it's really been a big win for us.
Cool.
So a couple other things I can point out.
So the curvature is different too up here, isn't it? How this curves? Because it used to be, I thought the old one went straight. This is curved.
Yeah.
So the other material.
The big difference is that in previous models we had bolt-on fenders, so all this structure was included in the fender, and then it would attach to the rad support. Now we've got the structure, and then the fender bolts onto the structure.
Okay.
So what it does is ties in the body to the front end structure.
Yeah, you can really see that under the hood of these new trucks.
Yeah, it's really been a big win for us to get that structural feel of the vehicle, the ride handling performance, really where we needed it. A couple other things, this structure also helps with our crash performance. We've done a lot of things to beef the vehicle up, make sure we're meeting all the crash requirements. A couple things I can point out, there's the compatibility bars that we have underneath the bumper to make sure we're not going over the top of the vehicle in a crash. We also have some deflection here that basically keeps the tire out of the passenger compartment. Okay. Our whole mission in the safety work is to keep the customer or keep the passenger safe and keep any intrusion out of the passenger. So everything done here, this sill plate panel here or structure is all built to be structurally stiff and to force the load beyond the passenger compartment so that no intrusion happens into the vehicle. Okay.
And this kind of helps point things toward the middle. Is that just a brace for that purpose, or does that have?
Yeah, that's just a floorboard brace. All these tie together for crash performance. There's a lot of CA work done here, computer work done to simulate the crash, get it completely optimized for the performance and to protect the passenger.
safest place, the middle seat? Look at all that stuff.
I don't know the answer there. I know we've done a lot of work to make sure all the occupants are safe and we're meeting the expectations of our customers.
Well, that's good. That's good.
That's pretty much all I know about the body.
Okay.
I
love the fender flares. They're almost subtle. I mean, it's neat to get that fender flare, but to not notice it for a while is pretty cool too.
Yeah. I don't know if anyone's explained to you the box. And actually, Rich Sear might be a better person, but one of the things we did is went to a different philosophy here. Where in the past we would have an inner side panel, where the wheel well and the side panel in this portion of the floor was all stamped as one piece. We've now made that into three pieces. This piece. What that allows us to do is to get a deeper draw on the wheel well area, and then we can push the interior panel out. What it results in is about 3.5 inches extra room on either side, so 7 inches total overall of width.
Now, so how close is this panel to the other panel?
It's really close. I can reach it right there with my fingers. So
yeah, because it used to be big cavity. Big cavity. Yeah.
So that really helped us get more cargo volume. And in fact, this vehicle, this box, which is our short box, has as much cargo volume as the long box from our competitors, or the regular box.
So if you're hauling corn or coal, you got to be.
Yeah, you got it. Yep.
I love all these tie downs. My goodness.
Yeah, and our tie downs, we've upped the strength of our tie downs. Each one of them is up to 500 pounds.
Wow.
And then there's 9 that come in the vehicle. You can see 3 on each corner.
Yeah.
And then there's these other locations that you can put tie downs in. So you can get a total of 21 different tie downs in your cab. So you pretty much find the right place for any load you're trying to tie down or haul.
Yeah, and cargo management is such a big thing with me because, in Colorado, you can have trash fall out of your truck, hit a school bus, kill everybody. It's a $40 fine.
Yeah.
Plus the lawsuits. But I mean, cargo management is a big deal.
Place to look at the hitch. So this hitch has been designed and optimized to work with our frame, get the load where we wanted it, and meet the requirements for our max tow packages. So
is that welded on, or is that one bolt do it all?
no, it's
You guys have had round ones for a while, and you go square, and now you're back to round. Is that the tube goes all the way through there and hooks up some other bolts?
there's some other bolts on the bottom.
Okay.
At least 2 down here and then 1 cross bolt, and you can take that whole part off.
Okay. Cool. Okay, now ready?
Tons of pickup truck questions, right?
Right. Where do we go for the answers?
We go to the Truck Nuts book.
Because we're truck nuts. And we wrote the book, Truck Nuts. We're nuts about truck. The ultimate guide to buying a truck, or to looking at a truck, or judging a truck. Whether it's diesel versus gas, new versus used, what your teenagers should learn about trucks, all that. You do all kinds of cool tests.
Yeah, we do a lot of testing. We do the iGauntlet, world's toughest towing test, up the mountain and down the mountain. We do MPG testing on the highway, loaded with trailers.
Yeah.
We do off-road testing. A lot of that data is in this book as well, and it's a one-stop shop for truck information.
That's true. We test trucks, maximum capacity, up to the biggest grades you can do on the interstate.
Yep.
So we really put them to the test. And, you can get all the facts you can't find anywhere else. We do MPG tests, which you can't find on any sticker anywhere. So, all that stuff that you can't find is in the book.
And you can find the book at trucknutsbook.com. There are links to Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and all the other bookstores as well.
So read about your truck nuts.